No more pictures for the rest of the day.
Don't run over me.
No gas yet.
No, put the gas on it.
No.
Pat the gas one time.
Switch must be off.
Oh, that's enough. That's enough. That'll flood it. Put your foot back. Be very careful, Dawson. Just drive slow.
Don't mess with it. Don't mess with that. Leave it off. Look, watch. Whoa, whoa. No, gotta give it a look.
Until it gets warm.
Yeah, let it get warmed up. Wait. Get your foot off the brake. Get your foot off. Alright, put your gas on it. Don't get in the street. Go. Drive it. We gotta go over that bank.
Look at that flag. Look at the water. They're gonna be built now. They make good clothes.
Look at Brooks holding on.
Yeehaw! Boy can drive anything, can he?
Yes, he can. Just like his daddy.
Alright, well, they'll be occupied for the next 6 hours.
They don't hit that trailer.
He's going to hit everything out there eventually, so might as well get it out of the way.
I think it was you that bumped your mouth, wasn't it?
Yep, about 10 minutes into my first go-kart drive.
Uh-oh, he's venturing out.
Yeah.
Hey!
Stab it back.
They need to learn how to stop it.
Brakes. Show me how to brake. Brake. Good. Now listen to me. Don't come close to this boat trailer, okay? I'm gonna move it today, but that tongue sticks out. If you run into it and miss this thing right here, it's gonna hit your shoulder or Brooks' shoulder, okay? Stay away from it, all right? But you're doing good. Hey, give it a little mustard. Don't hit my house.